Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to do a quick and easy Drupal 10 installation on your local development environment using DDEV. If you don't know what DDEV is an open source Docker-based tool that you can use to quickly and easily set up local development environments for your web projects with just a few steps. Before proceeding, you will need to have DDEV already installed on your local machine. I will add in the description the link to DDEV documentation for requirements and installation. So what we are going to do first is to create a directory for our Drupal project. So we type make dir my Drupal 10 site. Then we enter the folder we just created. Then we need to configure the project type. So in this case, we will be installing Drupal 10. So we enter ddev config -- project type equals Drupal 10. Then we assign the document root of our Drupal site -- doc root equals web -- create doc root. Then we start the setup by entering ddev start. Ddev start will set up the Docker containers that are necessary to generate a working local development environment for your Drupal site. After the setup, we then use the composer inside the Docker container to download our Drupal files. So we enter ddev composer create Drupal/recommended project. We use the ddev command before the composer because we are using the composer installed inside the Docker container. Then we will also need to download and install Drush. So we enter ddev composer require drush/drush. Then we will use Drush inside our Docker container to install Drupal 10. So we enter ddev drush site install -- equals admin -- account pass equals admin. After the installation, we can open our Drupal site in our browser automatically by entering ddev launch. So now we have a working Drupal 10 website in our local environment. Now login should work using the username and password we set. And that's it. We have installed and set up a working Drupal 10 website using DDEV. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next video.